Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why your workouts don't seem to give you the same results they used to? Maybe you've tried endless crunches, hours of cardio, or followed strict meal plans, yet your body still holds on to stubborn areas of fat. If you're a woman over 30, you're not imagining things. Your body truly changes. Hormones shift, metabolism slows, and what worked at 20 might no longer deliver the same impact. But here's the good news. There are breakthrough exercises designed specifically for women over 30 that target these challenges and help you tone up faster than you ever thought possible. Today, I am going to reveal the top 6 breakthrough exercises that women over 30 are using right now to see real, visible results. These aren't generic moves you've seen 1,000 times. They're strategically chosen to boost metabolism, protect your joints, and sculpt the areas women often struggle with most: arms, belly, thighs, and glutes. And as we break down each one, you'll also discover why they work, how to do them safely, and how they fit into a routine you can actually stick with. So stay with me until the end, because by the time we're done, you'll have a complete blueprint to tone your body, feel stronger, and regain the confidence you may have started to doubt was possible. Let's start by understanding why things change after 30. As we age, estrogen and progesterone levels naturally decrease. This can slow your metabolism and make it easier to gain weight, especially around the midsection. Muscle mass also tends to decline, which further reduces the number of calories you burn at rest. Add in the demands of work, family, and everyday stress, and it's no surprise many women feel stuck. But here's the key. Your body isn't broken. It just needs smarter strategies, moves that activate more muscle groups at once, boost calorie burn, and protect your joints. The first breakthrough exercise on our list is the reverse lunge with rotation. Unlike a standard lunge, adding a twist targets your core, improves balance, and engages the obliques, making it perfect for sculpting your waist. Start standing tall, step your right foot back into a lunge, and as you lower, twist your torso to the left, return to standing, and repeat on the other side. Aim for 10 to 12 reps per side. This exercise doesn't just tone your legs and glutes, it fires up deep abdominal muscles, giving you that tight, defined midsection that crunches alone can't deliver. Next is the dead bug, an underrated but incredibly effective core move that's gentle on your lower back. Lie on your back, arms extended toward the ceiling, knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor while keeping your core engaged, then return to start and switch sides. What makes the dead bug so powerful is its focus on core stability. Exactly what women over 30 need to protect the spine, improve posture, and flatten the belly. Perform this exercise slowly. The control matters more than speed. Number 3 is the glute bridge with march. Many women over 30 experience lower back discomfort due to weak glutes and tight hip flexors. The glute bridge activates the posterior chain, but adding a march, lifting one knee toward the chest while keeping hips elevated, increases the challenge. It strengthens your glutes, hamstrings, and core all at once, which not only sculpts your backside, but also improves everyday movement from climbing stairs to lifting groceries. Try 3 sets of 12 to 15 marches, alternating legs. Our fourth move is the push-up to downward dog. This isn't just about upper body strength. It combines muscle toning with flexibility and blood flow. Start in a high plank, lower into a push-up, then lift your hips toward the ceiling into downward dog, stretching your hamstrings and shoulders. Return to plank and repeat. This dynamic movement tones your chest, shoulders, and arms while also improving posture and flexibility, a powerful combination for women who spend long hours sitting at a desk. Fifth on the list, sumo squat with pulse. Wider than a regular squat, the sumo stance targets the inner thighs, an area many women struggle to tone. Adding a small pulse at the bottom increases muscle time under tension, leading to better results. Stand with feet wider than hips, toes slightly turned out, lower into a squat, and pulse up and down an inch before rising. Feel your glutes, quads, and inner thighs burn. That's where change happens. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. And finally, the 6th breakthrough exercise, the renegade row. This move combines core strength with back and arm sculpting, perfect for improving posture and fighting that rounded shoulder look many develop from phone and computer use. Start in a plank position with a dumbbell in each hand. Row one arm up toward your rib cage while stabilizing your body. Lower it back and repeat on the other side. Keep your hips steady. Your core should do the work, not your lower back. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per side will leave you feeling strong and empowered. Now, you might be wondering, why do these exercises work so well for women over 30? The answer lies in the design. Each move is compound, meaning it works multiple muscle groups at once, increasing calorie burn and saving time. They focus on stability, balance, and mobility, protecting joints and preventing injuries that become more common with age. They also target areas most women want to see change: toned arms, a flatter stomach, firm glutes, and slimmer thighs. But knowing these exercises isn't enough. How you use them matters too. Here's how to put it together. Start with a 5-minute warm-up, like marching in place or arm circles, then move through each exercise, performing them as a circuit. Complete 1 set of each, rest briefly, and repeat the entire circuit 2 or 3 times. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week, combined with walks or other cardio you enjoy. This keeps your routine balanced and sustainable. Remember, real results come from consistency. It's not about pushing to exhaustion every day. It's about building a habit you can keep up. Listen to your body. Some soreness is normal, but pain means it's time to slow down or adjust. Over weeks, you'll feel stronger, see more muscle definition, and notice daily tasks becoming easier. Beyond the physical transformation, there's something deeper at work here. These exercises help you reconnect with your body, rebuild trust, and remind yourself that strength isn't defined by age. Many women tell us they start for the looks, to fit into jeans, or feel confident in a dress. But what keeps them going is how empowered and alive they feel. That confidence spills into work, relationships, and everyday life. If you've struggled with motivation before, try reframing exercise as self-respect, not punishment. Move because you care about your health, your energy, your future, and celebrate progress, no matter how small. Even if it's holding a plank 5 seconds longer or feeling your posture improve, these wins matter. As we wrap up, let us quickly revisit what you've learned. The reverse lunge with rotation for core and legs. dead bug for deep abdominal strength, glute bridge with march for a lifted backside, push up to downward dog for upper body and flexibility, sumo squat with pulse for toned thighs, and renegade row for a sculpted back and arms. Together, these 6 exercises form a balanced, powerful routine for women over 30 to tone fast, safely and effectively. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share it with friends who might also be searching for a smarter workout, and subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based, encouraging content made just for women like you. In the comments, tell us, which exercise are you most excited to try? Your story could inspire someone else to start. Remember, age is just a number. Your body still responds to smart, intentional training, and every rep you do brings you closer not just to the body you want, but to the strength, energy, and confidence you deserve. Thank you for being here, and see you in the next video.